Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of sharing your Google Calendar with others. Whether you want to collaborate with colleagues, keep family members informed, or simply share your schedule publicly, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Access Google Calendar. Open your web browser and navigate to calendar.google.com, log in with your Google account if you haven't already. 2. Choose the calendar to share. On the left sidebar, locate the My Calendar section, hover over the calendar you want to share and click the down arrow to reveal options. 3. Share with specific people. Click 3 dots to see settings and sharing. Under Share with specific people, click Add People. Enter the email address of the person or Google group you want to share the calendar with, adjust their permission settings, click Send. 4. Share publicly. If you want to make your calendar public, under Access Permissions, select Make Available to Public. Choose the level of access, free/busy or all event details. Note, making it public allows anyone, even those without Google Calendar, to find your calendar. 5. Recipient's action. The recipient will receive an email with a link to add the shared calendar to their list. They can click the link to access the calendar, and that's all. Sharing your Google Calendar is a simple yet powerful way to streamline communication and ensure everyone is on the same page. Do you have any questions about sharing your Google Calendar? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.